Today in this video we will learn how to fix blue screen error in Windows Server. First, log in to your remote desktop. Enter IP address of your remote desktop and click on Connect. Put your password and then click OK. Proceed with Yes. As we can see the blue screen error. It occurs when a user just closes their session instead of logging out of it or because of slow logon process. Sometimes it occurs when a user try logging as different user. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape button to access Task Manager. Now look for Windows Explorer in Processes tab. And click on Restart button. If the error still persists, then click on File and then on Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and click OK. As you can see now, the error has been resolved now.